So we have the glue on, and we put them together, and now we put each pipe clamp on, and we're gradually turning each one. You don't want to turn one a lot because it'll cause the boards to slip. So we're just going to keep turning them. And you can see the glue coming out, so that's good. We like to see a little bit come out. Don't want to waste too much, but I want to know that we had enough on. It's always handy. These pipe clamps are handy. I like having some 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, and 4 foot pipes, and then I just switch the ends. I just screw on. One end needs to have threads. I think these are inch pipes. So we're going to keep turning them down. Although I think we probably have it. And then we'll let it set. I did use normal wood glue. I didn't use exterior because I didn't have any. I normally don't do exterior stuff. At least I never did before, or I hadn't. But this is going to be primed and probably 2 or 3 coats of paint on it. So I think it's going to hold. But at that point we'll have it turned out, so we'd have to screw or nail the pieces back together. But I'm pretty confident it's going to hold fine, as long as they're primed and painted and they stay painted. And you have to anyways. I mean, you don't want wood outside that's not protected.